Well, welcome back, Cheap Pete's Garage. Today we're going to do a cold start. Will it run on the old 1967 Chevy C10? This thing hasn't been started in, 3 to 4 years, if I'm being conservative anyway. I don't even remember for sure when the last time I had it running. I know it's been quite some time. But I just threw a battery in it. It does crank over. It does have an HEI distributor in it with 305. So it should have spark. It should fire off with some gas on the carb. Carburetor wasn't getting fuel the last time I took and had it running. So I ain't going to be able to run it off in the gas tank, but we can probably run it off a bottle. I'll give you guys a walk around here of it. Started taking primer in it years ago. Of course, that's all gotten pretty rusty. It was blue, apparently, in its former glory. And then it was painted black with some rattle cans. I bought this pickup in 1999 for like $450. It had a 6-cylinder 250 in it, with 4-speed. And I decided I wanted to swap it out and put a 305 in it that I swapped out of an a 71 Chevy pickup. So I threw that in there, which that engine wasn't original to that pickup either, but I consolidated 2 pickups and put it into this. This one here's got the small back window in it, which is actually plexiglass. Been that way ever since I've had it. Of course, it's not no great outfit inside here, but it ain't too terrible. Paints came off from the steering wheel where they decided to spray paint that, and the old seat stuffing seems to come apart right there. It's got 71 doors on it. Since the doors it had, windows didn't roll up and down and had issues with them, so I put these on it. So, enough of the chit-chatting. We'll put some gas in the carb and see if she'll start. I suppose I should probably take the air cleaner off at first. That would help. I don't think I reach it very good. Pull this off and see what all kinds of things we find inside there. Luckily, nothing. We'll fill the bowl up and see what happens. See, the vacuum advance line must have got broken off. So we're going to have ourselves a vacuum leak. You can go in there and try it. Special. Well, here we go. First start in several years. See if she'll run. It's a neutral for it, I know. Alright. Turn the key. You lose connections or what? Did it crank? Crank it. Again. I'm not sure if it works or not, but crank it. Well, she still runs. Crank it. Crank it. Crank it. Still runs anyway. Don't sound bad. Got oil pressure? And down there, right hand side, yeah, it's got about 25 pounds. It's slow idle here. See, my gas gauge is pegged clear out. Give it a little bit of gas. Give it a little bit of gas and hold it. Again. Yeah, it's got kind of homemade exhaust on, glass packs with some flex pipe. That side's sitting on the ground because obviously I got a flat tire there. Give it gas again. Hold it up for a little bit once you get it RPM up. Well, still sounds good anyway. Give it a little bit of throttle. Bring it up and hold it. You just killed it. Way to go. Are you happy with yourself? Hope so. All right, crank it up. Drag it. Okay. Well, let me hold the throttle. Crank it. Crank it. Little carburetor either got too much fuel in it or something. Alright, crank it. Crank it. Keep cranking it. Hold it till it starts. No battery don't sound like got a lot of juice either. Crank it. Hold the key until I tell you to let up. Apparently she flooded herself out. Well, I knew the old carburetor wasn't very good. Yeah, there she lost spark, but regardless, she does still run. So that's a win in my book. Well, there's the old well-run the 67 C10. So, if you guys like content like this, will it runs and first starts and messing with derelict old garbage, subscribe to the channel. Comment, like, share it. So, until next one, thanks for watching. Bye.